Hey everybody, it's Daryl here from Daily Crypto Trade Signals, and I just wanted to kind of review what's been happening in the market for the week 7. Bitcoin's been had a pretty exciting week with the Elon Musk from Tulsa investing 1.5 billion and creating this what we call the Elon candle, and that had caused an impact of Bitcoin increasing around 18% on one day. So that was the largest single candle, I think, in Bitcoin's history. Since then, Bitcoin has been increasing steadily. We had a bit of a retracement yesterday down to this level here, about 43,909. And there's no doubt that 2021 continues to shape up and it's very exciting for Bitcoin. So far so good. There's been some peaks and some valleys. Once again, the trend is your friend. Buy on the dips. If yesterday when Bitcoin went down to 43,000 and 909, if you were able to get in on that wick that went down and then held on to it, you made a gains of about 6%. So once again, don't FOMO. There's going to be peaks, there's going to be valleys, there's going to be pumps and dumps, but the trend is your friend, and we're looking pretty positive for Bitcoin. 50K definitely going to happen sometime soon. So how did the market react to the Elon candle? Well, the balance of BTC has now been in a 12-month downtrend, and a lot of that has to do, this 22% drawdown exchanges held coins. This has to do with miners and stuff taking their profits. The exchange balance is now about 2.346 million BTC, and there's been a significant drawdown of about 666 K in terms of BTC from this point here to down. And that's just basically that's happening because Bitcoin price is going up and miners are extracting their Bitcoins to cover some of their mining costs. It's nothing really to worry about. We've seen some pumps and we've seen some dumps as P2 miners have been dumping their Bitcoin and trying to hide it from us. If they're going to dump their coins, no problem, just come out and tell us, because people don't like that. So if we look at Bitcoin futures open interest, we can see that the interest of BTC in all the different exchanges has been growing. It's about 16.48 billion right now. Derivatives markets has experienced significant action with open interest across futures exploding to a record high of 16.48 billion. And that's eclipsing the previous peak by over 3.48 billion. So we're seeing a lot of futures interest now on Bitcoin. So in a true Elon form, a whopping 438 million in short interest were liquidated between Binance and OKA on the news. So people have been selling off when the Elon Musk candle hit. We had a pretty huge sell-off. People taking profits. So Bitcoin futures and liquidation total, as you can see, as the price is going up higher and higher, the amount of Bitcoin being liquidated is getting higher. So it's a reaction of natural sellers. There are two principles. Natural sellers of BTC during bull run markets. Miners and holders of older Bitcoins who've been accumulating in the past are realizing profit. That's pretty normal. If you've had Bitcoin and been holding Bitcoin forever, I've been holding Bitcoin for about 4 years now. Yeah, I sold some of my Bitcoin, about 30% of my Bitcoin when the Elon Musk candle hit. Why not? I need to take some profits. After a period of increased miner distribution during the rally and subsequent consolidation in January, Actually, miners are starting to ease off on selling pressure this week, and this suggests that miners have completed adequate sales to cover their costs, as I mentioned before, or could mean that when they see Elon Musk buying into Bitcoin, that they see this as a positive thing, and they want to hold onto their treasures to basically sell at a later date when Bitcoin could be 50, 60, 70, even 100K. So if we look at the miners, Bitcoin miner net position here, net position change over time, this is the green is the miner net position change, and the miner net position change also in red, and the prices in USD. So you can see here that as the price goes up, you can see that there's been more sales. There's been an increased distribution in January. There's been a reduced distribution in February, but I believe that if we hit 50K, you're probably going to see that miners are going to start dumping their coins. So that's just something that's natural in this business. People want to take profits. We all want to take profits. So holders of old coins, however, appear to have taken the advantage of the market strength to move their coins and potentially sell it into the move. The Elon candle has lifted the average age of coins spent from 30 days to 58 days, as shown on the average spent output lifespan. So if you look at here, the next chart here, this is an uptrend on the age of the coin. So it indicates old coins selling into strength. So basically what this is telling is that people have been holding coins for some time, like me. Before the Elon Musk candle, it was 30 days, now it's been 58 days. So people have been selling older coins a lot faster than they are selling newer coins since the Elon Musk candle. So this indicates that people who have just recently bought coins, they're going to hold for higher price thresholds. So a very similar observation can be made for the coin days destroyed metric, which tracks when old coins are on the move. Both CDD and ASOL indicators demonstrate that older coins have been on the move since BTC USD price was around 12K and have been moving at an increasing pace. This behavior slowed during the consolidation in January and has started to ramping back up again. So if you look at the Bitcoin entry adjusted, the CDD 7-day moving average, uptrend in coins days destroyed likely indicates old coins selling into strength. So once again, as the price goes up, older coins are being sold. So some old coins to look at, Uniswap. Another asset which has seen significant positive performance alongside the drawdown and exchange balances is the Uniswap token. So after exchange balances peaked to 36.86 million in early January, a 10% outflow of 5.3 million Uni tokens have occurred, supporting the price rally from 6 to 23, a gain of 676%. So if you look at the Uniswap token, I still think there's still room to grow on that one. I'm pretty bullish on the Uniswap token. I'm also very excited that ADA is probably going to have a breakout real soon. There's been some interesting announcements that are going to be released in the next couple of weeks that could push ADA well over $1, and we could see a price target of probably $8 by the end of 2021. Another coin you want to look at is Rook coin. So this is Uniswap token price versus transfer account. So we're seeing that as the price goes up, the transfer account's going down. So let's still take a quick look at the Bitcoin average spend output life span. So we're seeing that as we get higher highs, we're seeing that the lifespan was 50 days. 100 days here and 150 days here. And that's it. So that's just some kind of updates for you, what's been going on in Bitcoin. Some altcoin, predictions for me. I'm pretty bearish on ADA, Uniswap, the GRT. The graph is looking pretty good to me. DOT, of course, Sushi. So these are some of the coins that you want to be accumulating and holding on to for a while. So if you like this video, please smash that like and subscribe.